Come test drive this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.